Samsung is once again redefining the foldable smartphone experience with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, bringing significant upgrades in design, performance, and usability. With leaks and rumors surfacing, we finally get our first real look at what could be Samsung's most advanced foldable yet. From a thinner profile to enhanced durability and a reimagined S Pen, this year's model aims to address user concerns while pushing the boundaries of foldable technology. Let's break down everything you need to know about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, including its design, specs, camera upgrades, and expected release date. A slimmer, more portable foldable. One of the biggest changes in the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is its ultra-slim design. According to leaks, Samsung has managed to shave off significant thickness, making it one of the slimmest foldable phones ever. Straight ruler thickness folded. Galaxy Z Fold 6, 12.1 millimeters. Galaxy Z Fold 7, 9 millimeters, only 0.8 millimeters thicker than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Straight ruler thickness unfolded. Galaxy Z Fold 6, 5.6 millimeters. Galaxy Z Fold 7, 4.5 millimeters. With these refinements, the Fold 7 aims to provide a seamless tablet-like experience while being lighter and easier to carry. A wider cover screen and larger inner display. The cover screen is growing, offering more usable space for everyday tasks. Outer display, 6.5 inches versus 6.3 inches on Fold 6. Inner display, 8.2 inches versus 7.6 inches on Fold 6. This means better multitasking, a more immersive viewing experience, and improved gaming performance. The extra width also helps address complaints about the narrow front display on previous models. Revolutionary display upgrades. Ultra-thin glass 2.0. Samsung has been working on solving the biggest issue with foldable screens, the crease. With ultra-thin glass U2G 2.0, reports suggest white heavy checkmark 60% less visible crease. White heavy checkmark stronger and more durable material. White heavy checkmark enhanced touch sensitivity. This technology will make the Fold 7 feel more like a traditional smartphone while maintaining its flexibility. The new hybrid glass structure is also said to improve scratch resistance and pressure tolerance, addressing another major user concern. Additionally, the outer display could feature Gorilla Glass armor, similar to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, ensuring superior drop and scratch protection. S Pen revamp. What's changing? One of the most interesting leaks suggests that Samsung is working on a redesigned S Pen for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Pen changes to expect. Thicker, more ergonomic design. Potential new features and hardware upgrades. Better pressure sensitivity for a natural writing feel. Push bin no built-in S Pen slot. Rumors indicate Samsung might remove the dedicated S Pen slot to make the Fold 7 thinner and more compact. This means users will have to purchase the S Pen separately, just like with previous Fold models. Performance and battery. Power meets efficiency. Samsung is expected to equip the Fold 7 with top-tier hardware for blazing fast performance. Rocket processor. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Global. Possibly an Exynos 2500 variant, select regions. Battery. 4,400 mAh capacity, same as Fold 6. Better software optimizations for longer battery life. While the battery size remains unchanged, Samsung's efficiency improvements, similar to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, could deliver better power management and extended battery life. Massive camera upgrades incoming. Samsung is finally giving the Galaxy Z Fold 7 a serious camera boost, addressing one of the Fold lineup's biggest weaknesses. Camera with flash, new main camera. 200 MP primary sensor, up from 50 MP. Improved low-light photography. Enhanced zoom and AI processing. The under-display camera, UDC, is also rumored to get an upgrade, making video calls and selfies look sharper while reducing screen distortion. Software and AI, a smarter foldable experience. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 will run One UI 7 based on Android 15, introducing a range of AI-powered features. Sparkle's expected features: AI-driven multitasking enhancements, smarter S Pen capabilities, improved foldable app optimizations. Samsung's Galaxy AI features could further improve the experience, making tasks like note-taking, translations, and multitasking smoother than ever. Durability, improved dust and water resistance. Foldable phones have always struggled with durability, but Samsung is taking big steps forward with the Fold 7. Sweat droplets water and dust protection. Galaxy Z Fold 6, IP48 rating. Galaxy Z Fold 7. Expected upgrades for better dust resistance. While it won't match the IP68 rating of traditional smartphones like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the improved protection should make it more reliable for daily use. Samsung's next big innovation, a trifold device? Alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7, leaks suggest Samsung is also working on a game-changing trifold smartphone, possibly called the Galaxy G Fold. Pushpin, why this matters. Expands into a full-size tablet, more advanced hinge and display technology. True multitasking powerhouse. Samsung is leading the charge in foldable tech, and this could be the next big leap in smartphone evolution. Release date and pricing. Calendar expected unveiling. July 2025 Galaxy Unpacked event. Money bag starting price $1,899, same as Fold 6. Samsung is expected to keep the same pricing strategy, making the Fold 7 a competitive upgrade for those looking for the best foldable experience. Final thoughts. The foldable to beat in 2025? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting foldable smartphones yet. Fire key takeaways. White heavy checkmark slimmer and more portable design. White heavy checkmark larger displays for better multitasking. White heavy checkmark next-gen ultra-thin glass with reduced crease. White heavy checkmark major camera improvements, 200 MP sensor. White heavy checkmark AI-powered software and Galaxy AI enhancements. White heavy checkmark redesigned S Pen for better usability. With Samsung pushing boundaries in foldable technology, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might just be the best foldable smartphone ever made. What do you think? Are these upgrades enough to justify an upgrade? Let us know in the comments.